What if stepping into your backyard felt like arriving at a luxury resort every single day? You don't need plane tickets or endless planning to experience the serenity and style of a getaway. With thoughtful design choices and creative touches, your backyard can become a space that exudes relaxation, indulgence, and elegance, giving you the ultimate escape right at home. Start by setting the tone with the foundation of your backyard, the flooring. Resort-inspired spaces often feature natural materials that feel timeless and luxurious. Opt for stone tiles, textured concrete, or reclaimed wood decking to create a sophisticated base. For a more budget-friendly approach, consider composite materials that mimic the appearance of natural stone or wood. Offering durability and low maintenance. Adding an outdoor rug with tropical or geometric patterns can instantly soften the space and provide a touch of comfort. Next, focus on creating layers of greenery to replicate the lush atmosphere of a resort. Incorporate a mix of plants in varying heights and textures to add depth and vibrancy to your backyard. Start with tall plants like palms, bamboo or banana trees to frame the space and provide shade. Add mid-level greenery such as ferns or philodendrons for volume. And finish with ground cover plants like moss or creeping thyme to fill in gaps. For a pop of colour, introduce flowering plants like hibiscus, bougainvillea or orchids. If space is limited, Consider using hanging planters or vertical gardens to maximise greenery without overcrowding the area. A key element of any resort-style escape is the seating, where comfort meets elegance. Look for outdoor furniture that combines plush cushions with sleek frames made from materials like teak, aluminum or weather-resistant wicker. Create multiple seating zones to suit different activities. A sectional sofa for lounging, a pair of reclining chairs for sunbathing, or a small dining set for al fresco meals. Neutral tones like white, beige or grey work well as a base, while cushions and throws in vibrant blues, greens or coral can evoke the feel of ocean waves or tropical flowers. Lighting plays a transformative role in turning your backyard into a resort-like retreat, especially as the sun sets. Use string lights to mimic the enchanting glow of resort pathways, or drape them over a pergola for a romantic touch. Lanterns with LED candles can provide a soft, warm light for seating areas, while uplights placed around trees or garden features create depth and highlight key elements. Solar-powered options are ideal for sustainability and convenience, keeping your space well lit while reducing your energy use. To enhance the resort ambience, consider incorporating a water feature. The soothing sound of flowing water immediately evokes relaxation, whether it's from a small fountain, a wall-mounted waterfall, or a simple pond with aquatic plants. Position the water feature near a seating area to fully enjoy its calming effects. If space is limited, tabletop fountains or recirculating bowls can deliver the same tranquil vibes without taking up too much room. A backyard escape should engage all the senses, and fragrance is an often overlooked element. Incorporate scented plants like lavender, gardenias, or citrus trees to infuse the air with subtle, natural perfumes. Pair this with outdoor speakers, playing soft music or nature sounds to create a fully immersive experience. Maintenance shouldn't detract from your enjoyment, so opt for low-maintenance features wherever possible. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate to reduce watering and care. Mulching garden beds helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, while automated irrigation systems ensure your plants stay hydrated without extra effort. Use weather-resistant materials for furniture and decor to keep them looking fresh with minimal upkeep. To tie the whole design together, focus on the small details that make a big impact. Decorate with accents like woven baskets, ceramic pots, or driftwood sculptures for a natural, coastal feel. Add pops of colour with throw pillows, outdoor rugs, or even a mosaic wall feature. Personalise the space with unique touches, such as frame photos, lanterns, or a collection of seashells from past vacations.